Wow, look at this beautiful diamond dust glass nail set that I just made. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY press-on diamond dust glass nails. Hey, it's Trey, the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to show you how to make diamond dust glass nails. First, you're going to need some short, clear, press-on nail extensions. This is from Amazon. This is the brand BT Art Box. I'll put all the links in the description of everything I use in this video, hopefully in the links down below, in the description below. You don't necessarily need this, though it does help if you use a press-on nail stand with some wall putty or sticky tack on top to hold down the nail. Or you can also use magic tape or nano tape that's clear if you don't like the look of the putty. You will also need some kind of nail file. This is a 100-180 standard nail file. Comes with a lot of kits if you don't have it, but they also sell like jumbo packs of these on Amazon. I'll try to include the link down below as well. I'll also be using the Beetles base coat, the Beetles top coat. It's called the Top It Off top coat. It's my favorite top coat. I really like the Beetles brand. I'm not sponsored, but I find their products work really well. And they're affordable, and they also don't have a lot of chemicals and things that other gel polishes have. So it's kind of a little bit healthier for you. And then I'm going to be using the Model 1's gel polish, and this is a very pretty glitter. It's kind of like this is what I call diamond dust. I don't really know that all the glitters are different sizes. They're not too chunky, they're not too fine, and it's really well saturated, so I call it diamond dust. I know there is an actual nail product called diamond dust, but that's different. But this is just what I call diamond dust, and I really like this sporadic, beautiful kind of faceted glitter. These are what the nails look like. I've already done one hand, but yeah, this is a really simple, fast nail. Look, this is actually one of my favorite go-to press-on nail designs because it's just so simple and it matches everything you wear. And it just sparkles and shines and kind of brightens up your day. And I prefer short coffin full cover tips because that's like the perfect length for me as a mom. But yeah, you can choose whatever length you want. Also, if you have one of these portable UV lamps or LED lamps, this definitely will come in handy when adhering the press-ons. Because these nails are glass nails and they're clear, I'm going to be applying them with base coat, so they will be a lot sturdier and hopefully last longer than sticky tabs, but they are harder to remove and they may ruin the press-ons at the end, or it's just more work to make them reusable. But yeah, I bought this lamp on this little flashlight lamp from Shein, but I will try to find a link on Amazon. Okay, first thing you need to do is find your nail size, and I'll just let you know that my nail sizes, I only use 3 sizes, one for my thumb, and then the other 3 fingers besides my pinkies are the same size on both hands, and then my pinky is the smallest. So I'm just going to size my nails up and then put them on this stand in the order of my hand. So I usually put my thumb on the left side, and then pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and then pinky all the way on the right. So I'm just going to do that really quickly, and then I'll show you the next step. This base coat. Okay, next I'm going to take the Beetles foundation, aka base coat. You can use any base coat you have, gel base coat, and I'm just going to put a layer of base coat on every nail. Remember, when you are doing press-ons, not to start at the cuticle area, because sometimes some of the gel can kind of seep underneath and cause a big bulk, which will be a lot more work or even make the press-on unusable. So what I do is I start in the middle kind of, and then I'll brush my way upwards from the middle to get the cuticle area. That way you get a nice even thin layer without any buildup or globs on the cuticle underneath the nail as well. So I'm going to just apply this to every single nail. It is a little hard to see because it's like clear base coat on a clear nail, but I'm sure for people with regular vision this should not be an issue, but for me this was like kind of like just guessing in the dark, like where's the nail and how much base coat I'm putting on. Okay, after you finish applying your base coat, make sure to cure in your UV or LED lamp for a minute or 2 minutes. Next, it is time to apply the diamond dust glitter, or basically any kind of silver glitter that you have. Again, I'm using the Model 1's one. This one didn't really have a number or anything that I could see. So yeah, but look at that. It's so saturated with glitter. Basically only one coat, depending on what look you're going for. If you want more of a glassy, like super glassy nail, you can just put one coat. But if you want more of like a condensed glitter with a little bit of glass look, you can put 2. But yeah, just look, even one coat with the amount of glitter in this polish, it looks good already. I wish you could see how sparkly and beautiful it looks. Like the camera does not do it justice, but if you ever try this nail, look out for yourself. You'll see how beautiful it is. I originally wanted to do Aurora nails, but I just don't have the mermaid powder or like those cellophane film. So yeah, I decided to just kind of do my own version of glass nail, which this has been around for forever and I've done this look a million times. But yeah, I've never actually filmed a tutorial on it because it's just so simple. But this was the look that I did this week, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's just so simple and it looks so beautiful, especially in the sun with your camera light on. It's gorgeous, and I just have an obsession with glass nails. Like I love clear tips for some reason. Maybe because that way I can see if it's dirty or anything that is under there to make sure everything's sanitary, but maybe that's just me. Anyways, I'm just going to continue applying the glitter polish on all the nails and then we'll be right back. Okay, here are the nails after one coat. I've cured them in my UV LED lamp for about 1 or 2 minutes, and you can honestly just leave it like this. You can top it off like this, or you can add another coat. I believe I add another coat, though I don't remember, but we will find out together as we watch this video. Anyways, look at that. It's so beautiful. It's kind of hard to see because I have like the solid wall putty underneath, but when you see it on your actual hand, it's gorgeous. Here is another angle. Okay, oh, I guess I only do one coat. So I think I like that look, so I only did one coat since my polish was saturated with enough glitter. I'm just going to use the Beetles Top It Off top coat, and I'm just going to put a generous amount on each nail. That way it's extra glossy, extra shiny, and it just looks super clean. You can even actually top coat the bottom of the tips if you wanted to, but I didn't feel like I had to do that with this set. So I'm just going to apply my top coat, and after I like to just flip the whole press-on nail stand upside down to kind of let it form a natural apex. That way it won't be so thick on the edges and the sides of the nail. So kind of gravity will kind of just pull it into a point where the natural apex is before I cure it. So hold it there for about 30 seconds. You can even hold it up to a minute if you're patient, and then I'll cure it in the lamp. Now that everything's cured, I'm going to just get my nail file and just file the very ends off. Sometimes it's a little piece of plastic there. You can do that beforehand, but I was kind of just too lazy because I didn't want to have to wipe down all the nails before having to apply anything. So I'm just carefully just filing the ends to make sure there's no sharp edges or any kind of protruding plastic from the nail tips. Okay, next I'm going to take the base gel again. I'm going to use this to actually apply my nails on. So you basically just take a little bit of the base gel and apply it on your own natural nail. Make sure your nails are prepped with your cuticles pushed back and wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm just going to place my clear glass nail on top exactly where I wanted and use my mini LED lamp to flash cure it on. I actually just used the lamp to fully cure it on, but at first just getting all the nails on your hand first, you can flash cure for about 15 seconds. It does solidify pretty fast, as you can see. And I'm just going to do this on the rest of my nails. Make sure to wipe any excess base gel that may have squeezed out from your press-on. After you apply the press-on, wipe it off your skin, because that will cause allergies and it will cause pain if you leave it on your skin. Also, you don't need to actually press down the nail super hard. Just place it where you want it and hold it still. And you only have to make sure there's no air bubbles or gaps. That's the amount of pressure you apply, just very little bit, and then let the light do its thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish applying all these nails. Okay, now that we've flash cured everything, I'm just going to actually fully set each and every nail by just shining my light on for at least a minute with my LED lamp, flashlight lamp. This is, I find, way better method than using like a regular full-size LED or UV lamp, because you don't expose like your whole entire hand to the light, and you can just really pinpoint and focus directly on each nail. It may take a little more time because you're doing one at a time, but for me it's just easier for me that way, because I have burned my hand trying to do this method using a regular UV lamp, because I had to just hold my nail in place upside down. It was just like a big disaster. So this is definitely a better method for me, and hopefully easier for you too. So yeah, let me just finish doing this and then I'll show you the final results. They're so beautiful, so sparkly, so glassy, so shiny. I love these diamond dust glass nails. This is like my go-to look, like I said. Let me know down in the description if you'd give this a try. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!